Kasurka jala sipalai klapambna ikarai pampleno ika chungai pyrthei kibran ka jala naduh ka shitarik Nailur mdausnam yakani karai la siam ga jalanga joka konun menteri habashong bishar ga jing hiara ka jingdon ginong pang covid hapro ko we ka jala habe de begini kam chungai pyrthei umtrang ba jala lo ongru batang tu ginong chungai pyrthei kibade banain jak pura asha bagin wan Meghalaya naduh ko te kasngi kapan tepru baktu nong shangkai ki mapada ba injak hani bandang dap tang kafas dos kin haban pen iya kan negative report joka RT-PCR kaban rekam lada kidang dap tes sapo nyo ko arkanta bagan poe khadop ban rung jala susul ongru baktu nong shangkai ki badin kan jala kila ban le chakanu kanu ko jaka ha Meghalaya namban ta ban ne pitkai lada ki dei bada ba injek namta ki tu ba pak mampat dap ban injek khaban pen iya kan negative report joka RT-PCR lada submit hakinu kinu ki hotel nani rung ha jaka joka pyrthei
to open the tourism sector from the 1st of September. The tourists, though, will have to come with double vaccination. So tourists who are fully vaccinated will be allowed to visit Meghalaya for tourism-related purposes from the 1st of September. Tourists who are not vaccinated or have only a single dose will have to produce a negative RT-PCR, TrueNat or CBNat report, which will be valid if they have been tested within 72 hours prior to their arrival at the entry point. The tourists will also have to generate an e-invite for entry to Meghalaya through the Meghalaya app of the Meghalaya Tourism Department. It is also mandatory that the tourists who come in should book at least one night stay, either hotel, homestay or guest houses, and declaration of the complete itinerary should be there. Tourists who are staying as guests of any family or friend in Meghalaya shall declare the full address and contact details of the family or friend. At the same time, for local tourists from within the state, they will be allowed to visit any location in Meghalaya or tourism-related purposes if you are fully vaccinated or even single vaccinated. So within the state of Meghalaya, within the local tourists, vaccinated tourists will be allowed to visit, or locals will be allowed to visit different tourism locations. Local tourists who are not vaccinated will have to produce negative RT-PCR, TrueNat or CBNat report before checking into any hotel or to visit any tourist spot.